So I personally love to wing things. Spontaneity is fun and exciting, but there is no place for it in legal research because you are getting paid a ton of money and no client wants to pay you to wing it as you're researching. And then the therapy part of this is you're going to have these feelings as a new attorney that you're committing malpractice, that you're missing something. You're going to feel like a poser. And you need a methodical research process to overcome these feelings. Winging it will only exacerbate these feelings. So in our Google culture, we're taught you can just throw something into Google and you're going to find it. Google is awesome. I use it to find Christmas presents, but when it comes to research, you need something better. So if we just throw into Google our search terms here, we're going to get a lot of websites to law firms. That's because they pay Google to do that. So Google sometimes is a good place to start, but usually you won't find everything you need there. So if we throw this into Lexis or Westlaw or Bloomberg or any of these fee platforms, we're going to get tons of stuff. Look, over 10,000 secondary materials alone. Okay, this is too much information fog. We have to sort through all of this content. There's way too much stuff here. We're going to spend way too much time and be inefficient at it. Instead, we need a methodical research process. And for that, we start by planning our work, we frame our issue, we brainstorm search terms, and then we take that into secondary authority. I found this Georgia jurisprudence. It's an encyclopedia. Within 5 minutes, I had the elements for the cause of action for, to recover for personal injury in an auto accident. That secondary authority, that Georgia jurisprudence encyclopedia, taught us that there is no codified law on point for this. So we don't need to worry about statutes or anything like that. And then for case law, the Georgia jurisprudence led me to primary authority. I can't cite Georgia jurisprudence in any document, but I can cite Morton versus Horace Mann Insurance Company. And there are the elements of negligence. Now, I didn't find any factually identical cases where somebody lost their hearing in an auto accident and then they are able to recover. But there's a chapter, it's chapter 4.11 in research law that will show you how to deal with situations when you don't find identical cases. Okay, so I hope you get the point. Clear out information fog by following a methodical research process. Okay, all right, see you back in the book.